Hello and welcome to my short demo of how my project works. For us to start, I will have to run the server by typing npm run dev. You can see that the server is running and the database connected. Then I have to go now to the Mongo compass and I try to connect my database there. Once it shows connected, I have to go now to the test. So for us to demonstrate how Joy works, Joy actually validates input before it's sent to the API. So I'll come back here, I just remove .com and I try to send. It tells me that email address must be a valid email address. So this is what Joy does. So if I try to change this or any other thing that is not how it's supposed to be, it will send the errors. So it's not just for emails, for everything, it has string numbers and all that. So I put gmail.com and I click send. You see that it tells me that member account initialized successfully, basically meaning the member account has been created. To log in, we'll have to use the handle I use or the email address to come to login. Then I'll go back to get the password. The password is just password. As well. So to demonstrate how rate limiting works, I put it that if you try 5 attempts to log in and you actually missed the 5 attempt, either your password or your handle name is not right, it will give you some time, it will tell you to try again later, then you have to wait. Too many login attempts, please try again. So this is just to prevent the brute force attacks. Give us a 429 status code, which basically means too many requests. And we have to wait for another 5 minutes before you can log in again. So we can actually see now that it is logged on and had waited for 5 minutes. So when you sign in, your member ID is embedded with the access token, so ready for request. So when you make a request now, it basically decodes your member ID and know who you are. So we don't have to be filling in our member ID and follow a user. You can actually follow a user. You see that they say you are now connected with this member. It has a status code of 200, which is okay. So you actually see that following this member, you come now and you see followers. You see that the followers array has added one person. So if you go up again and you say unfollow, I click send, come back here, you see that the following has reduced to 0. You see that a post has been created. And if you check here, you see that the media file uploaded 1, and this is my content. I should like post. You see that the ID, the like count has increased to 2. Then if you unlike post now, go to unlike post, try to unlike the post. We get a success through data post unlike successfully. Come down, you see that the like count has reduced to 1. Then we go now to comment. We send post. This is a member who commented on the post. Now that, so to go now to the next one, you can go to basically better still, let's try and delete this. Go to delete comment. For us to be able to delete the comment, we go and we put the comment ID. here, put it, and we'll send as a send delete. Press. Actually see that the comment was deleted successfully. Well, this one came on because it's a 204, no content that I created, which basically means that it has to return nothing. If I put two, the comment deleted successfully. So I have to come back now to create charts. I have to come back now to create charts. Create chart. So a chart is created with at least one participant. You can see I already tried to add here. It's at least one participant and the creator is added automatically. So if I click send a post to this endpoint, you actually see that a chat has been created just like a chat group that's made up of two members. Each member here is the one can send or receive messages. Send message. This is sender and the chat. This is the ID. This is the content. And reply to. Now I'm able to delete the chat now. I have to just copy the ID of the chat. Come here. Come here. You see that chat deleted successfully by creator. So this is just a few of what I've been working on my project. Thank you very much.